A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means apple.
Apple means apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means game.
Ball means game.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means billy.
Cat means billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta.
Dog means kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
Elephant is happy.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means angur.
Grapes means angur.
H for hen.
H for hen.
Hen means murgi.
Hen means murgi.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
Ice cream is ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
Juice means juice.
Juice is juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means patang.
Kite means patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means hare.
Lion means red.
N for monkey.
N for monkey.
Monkey means bandar.
Monkey means wonder.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means घोंसला.
Nest means घोंसला.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means संतरा.
Orange means संतरा.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Peacock means moor.
Peacock means more.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Q means Rani.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means खरगोश.
Rabbit means खरगोश.
S for sun.
S for sun.
Sun means सूरज.
Sun means सूरज.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means cheetah.
Tiger means cheetah.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means छाता.
Umbrella means chata.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means गाड़ी.
Van means गाड़ी.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी.
Watch means गाड़ी.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Xmas means Xmas.
X means Xmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means yak.
Yak means yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z means zebra.
Z means zebra.
A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means apple.
Apple means apple.
B for boy.
B for boy.
Boy means लड़का.
Boy means लड़का.
C for cow.
C for cow.
Cow means गाय.
Cow means गाय.
D for donkey.
D for donkey.
Donkey means गधा.
Donkey means गधा.
E for egg.
E for egg.
Egg means अंडा.
Egg means अंडा.
A for frog.
A Frog.
Frog means mendak.
Dog means mendak.
G for gun.
G for gun.
Gun means banduk.
Gun means banduk.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means ghoda.
Horse means ghoda.
I for inkpot.
I for inkpot.
Inkpot means dawat.
Inkpot means dawat.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means jug.
Jug means jug.
K for king.
K for king.
King means raja.
King means raja.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
Lemon means nimbu.
Lemon means limbu.
M for mango.
M for mango.
Mango means aam.
Mango means aam.
N for nose.
N for nose.
Nose means naak.
Nose means naak.
O for owl.
O for owl.
Owl means ullu.
Owl means ullu.
P for pigeon.
P for pigeon.
Pigeon means kabutar.
Pigeon means kabutar.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Queen means rani.
R for red.
R for red.
Red means chuha.
Red means chuha.
S for sunflower.
S for sunflower.
Sunflower means surajmukhi.
Sunflower means surajmukhi.
T for tape.
T for tape.
Tape means nal.
Tape means null.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chhata.
Umbrella means chhata.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means van.
Van means van.
W for woman.
W for woman.
Woman means औरत.
Woman means औरत.
X for extra.
X for extra.
Extra means X-ray.
Extra means X-ray.
Y for yellow.
Y for yellow.
Yellow means पीला.
Yellow means पीला.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.
Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.
A for ant.
A for ant.
Ant means चींटी.
Ant means चींटी.
B for bat.
B for bat.
Bat means बल्ला.
Bat means बल्ला.
C for candy.
C for candy.
Candy means chocolate.
Candy means chocolate.
D for doll.
D for doll.
Doll means गुड़िया.
Doll means गुड़िया.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
Eagle means चील.
Eagle means cheese.
F for fox.
F for fox.
Fox means लोमड़ी.
Fox means लोमड़ी.
G for goat.
G for goat.
Goat means बकरी.
Goat means बकरी.
H for hand.
H for hand.
Hand means हाथ.
Hand means हाथ.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
Igloo means igloo.
Igloo means igloo.
J for joker.
J for joker.
Joker means joker.
Joker means joker.
K for key.
K for key.
Key means चाबी.
Key means चाबी.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
Leaf means पत्ती.
Leaf means पत्ती.
N for man.
N for man.
Man means O for onion.
O for onion.
Onion means piyaj.
Onion means pyaj.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot means tota.
Parrot means tota.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Q means Rani.
R means rainbow.
R means rainbow.
Rainbow means Indradhanush.
Rainbow means Indradhanush.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
Sheep means jahaj.
Sheep means jahaz.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
Tomato means tomato.
Tomato means tomato.
U for uniform.
U for uniform.
Uniform means dress.
Uniform means dress.
V for violin.
V for violin.
Violin means rangi.
Violin means rangin.
W for whale.
W for whale.
Whale means kuwa.
Whale means kuha.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Xmas means Xmas.
X means Xmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means yak.
Yak means yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.